Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com. And first of all, to members, we're going to be trading live Thursday. We're going to be trading the open on Thursday morning. So get there about 15 minutes before the market opens is when the trading room will be open. So anyway, with Tesla, this is probably something that we can be trading at that time as well. Look, this stock has gone parabolic. I'll go ahead and I need to go. I don't care about this anymore. This stock has gone parabolic. You can see where yesterday this thing broke through the upper trend line and just kept going. Here on 3 standard deviations, which a stock virtually never breaks through, this stock is up above. It's closed above 3 standard deviations, and that means that this stock is really getting tired. It's one thing to break out above 3 standard deviations when you're coming from a squeeze. Frankly, that type of move it's just about a buy signal when a stock again comes out of a squeeze and blasts up so far that it runs above 3 standard deviations from the 20-day moving average. That's a buy signal. This here, look, I'm not going to tell you it's a sell signal. There are a lot of really smart guys on the street, and a lot of them are shorting Tesla, and I'll go ask them how smart they're feeling right now, and depending on how much they're underwater, they'll tell you not very smart at all, or they'll be lying to you. But this stock does look close to peaking, but I'm just not quite sure it's there yet. Here's how you can tell, though. This was the last time here on the 27th. So a week, not yesterday, but a week ago, was the last time that this stock printed a lower high and a lower low, for that matter. Ever since that time, every single day, even the little small days, every single day has given us a higher low and a higher high, all the way up here. So, what I'm looking for, I'm going to be looking to see how this stock trades tomorrow. This is the box right here. This encompasses the trading range of the stock today. If this stock closes lower, if it closes within the box, that to me is a pretty good sign that it's time to be taking profits. I just can't recommend shorting the stock. It's just been absolutely brutal, and you can't get a borrow. You can buy puts or sell calls on it, but it's very difficult and costly to find stock to borrow, to short, and you can see why. For one thing, it's already heavily shorted, but number two, you got to be an idiot, a suicidal idiot, to want to do that. And there were a couple short calls out there today. Citron Research, Andrew Left, who had said, he'd never short Tesla again, came out and said, look, I even think Elon Musk would short it here. I'm not sure that that's a good litmus test for what's right to do, but whatever. He's short, I'm not. So what I would do again is watch this deal tomorrow. If the stock closes below 969, if it closes below 969, then I think you want to be really careful, and I would be selling. I'd be taking profits into this. If it closes above that, you could look and say $1,000 would be the top, but for crying out loud, we could have said 800 a few days ago. That really didn't work. Could have said 650. That was the top here. How about 600? That was the top back here. This thing is like the Energizer Bunny, literally with a lithium battery. So that's what I would look for. Gotta stay below 968.99, 969. Make it 970. If it closes below 970, then you're probably going to see more of a cascade of selling as people do go to take profits. So anyway, that's how I would trade Tesla. And again, don't forget about trading at the open Thursday morning for members.